Hey Divas, Kaden here and welcome back to Chef It Up Fridays. On the menu we have some crispy juicy fried chicken. Yes, I said it, crispy juicy fried chicken. So my chicken is already clean, washed and seasoned. It's marinating. And now I'm moving on to my dry mixture, which is my flour mixture that I'm going to dip the chicken in. So you want to go ahead and add flour. To season the flour I use Maggi, onion powder, garlic powder, some chicken season, meat and poultry, some Mrs. Dash chicken blend along with some baking powder and cornstarch. So that cornstarch is going to give you that extra crispiness that you need. After adding all those together, you're going to go ahead and mix it well until everything is blended. Now that I'm done with my flour mixture, I'm going to go ahead and start frying. So my oil is ready and this is it. So to get that extra flakiness that I want, I'm going to go ahead and dip my chicken twice in each mixture. So twice in the egg and twice in the flour. So I'm going to dip it first in the egg, ensure that everything is fully coated, add it to my flour, coat it, ensure that everything is coated again, knock off the excess, bring it back to the egg, coat it again, bring it back to the flour, coat it, and then add it to my pot and let that fry. Now that everything is in the pot, I'm going to go ahead and check on them. So I'm going to go ahead turn them because you don't want them to burn. You just want them to have that nice golden color. Now that they're fried on all sides and they have that nice golden color, you're going to go ahead remove them from the pot. I like to go ahead put mine in a Pyrex dish because I'm going to put them in the oven. I'm going to line my Pyrex dish with some paper towel, add my chicken to it, and then add it to the oven and let that bake a little bit at about 270 degrees to ensure that the chicken is fully soaked because you don't want to eat no raw chicken. Now that the chicken is out of the oven, look at how golden it looks. It's so crispy, flaky, juicy, and it was so delicious. I'm going to show you the inside. It was cooked to perfection. This is perfection right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're new, just go ahead and subscribe. You've made it this far. Become a part of the Diva gang. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.